because I'm visiting the chickens. I will make a chicken video. This is where they're at. This is Carl Von Linné Elementary on Richmond St. This is the chicken coop. You might hear little noises. This is their window. Their coop is currently winterized, but you can, during regular school hours, when the gate is open, come by and visit a chicken. They do like visitors. They like attention. They make sweet little noises. It's very lovely. Chickens in action, chickens being chickeny. Do I know each of their names? No, I know some of them, 'cause I looked at the website, the Facebook group. One of them's Pickles, Betty, Willow, and I forget the rest. Some of them are more personable to me. I am new to them. But when I put food in my hands, all 6 of them will eat food right out of my hand. It's lovely. Like maybe right now. My chicken friend. Yeah. How pleasant is this? They can share. They're not great at it, but they're pretty good. Do I want to make sure they all get a little bit? Yeah. Come on, chicken friend. This big one's a little bossier than the others. And there's one that looks terrible, but that just means they're molting. And then I throw a little bit in their bowl. Or I throw it out. They really like chicken. Was it mealworms, which are wonderfully smelly? They go wild for those. These is what happens when I give them the good stuff. These are yummy and smelly. These are mealworms. I give some over here. I give some over here. Just different ones like this. There you go, friend. Chicken time. Chicken snackies. This one likes to be by herself more. This one looks a little terrible at the moment, but it's just molting. It's natural. Nice little chickens. They're well suited for this cold weather as long as it's not windy in here. And the nicely winterized space is nice. Chicken. Their water has a little heat element to it so it doesn't freeze. It's nice. Chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken.